There you have it, 3 days of hard graft. Hello and welcome to Timbers Flooring. A wall was knocked down here along with 2 fireplaces either side of the wall, and this is what was left of the floor. The customer wanted the floor to look as one, like it had always been there. Boards were taken from upstairs to match the existing boards, and then they were fitted in precisely to give a homogeneous look. This took a lot of time and effort, but my word, it come out lovely. A matte white tinted lacquer was used to give a fresh feel to the newly sanded pine floor. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all for the next one. Many thanks. Timbers Flooring out.